Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack. So if you're wondering if I'm loving it or if I'm hating it, then just keep on watching. Before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself like always. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. This week has been a little different because I'm trying to put more content out there for you guys to distract you and distract myself in this scary time in our lives right now. But let's stay on a positive note, so let's get right into this video. So this is my beauty right here. This is the Louis Vuitton mini Palm Springs backpack in the reverse monogram. This bag is so special to me. Before we get started in the pros and the cons for this, I just want to say that I've only had this bag for about 2 months now, and I have been loving it so far. But I just wanted to provide you guys with like the dimensions of this bag. So I have my notebook right here. The length of this bag is 6.69, 8.66 is the height, and the width of the bag 3.94. so yes, that is the dimensions of the bag. This bag comes in 2 different styles, the reverse monogram and also the all monogram, like this print but all over the bag. This is the reverse monogram. This was so hard to get, honestly. I've been looking and wanting this bag forever now, and one day I was texting my essay and I think I was texting her about another bag, and then I asked her if she had this one by chance, and she did. It was the last one, so I grabbed it while I could. But I was planning on getting this in Italy because I think I remember seeing one of these in Italy while I was there, but I never got it. I don't know why. I'm dumb for that reason, but I was planning on getting it in Italy because it is cheaper there. I'll put the price difference on the screen. I really don't know on the top of my head, but yeah. So I'm so glad I got this, and I'm glad I did get it only because I knew it was gonna go in New York City, and I did bring this bag while I went there and used it when I was there, and also I wanted to use it when I was going to Italy as like my handbag for traveling. While I was using it in New York City, it was so good to use. It fits so much. I do have a what's in my bag video on this bag on my channel, so I'll link it above, but this was such like amazing experience using this bag. So let's get in with the pros. So the first pro is this zipper. By the way, this is the newer version. They had an older version where people were having zipper problems, and this is the newer one which exposes the zipper, if you guys could see that. And the older version, the zipper was covered, and it was just so hard to get into because the trimming of the bag was getting in the way of like the zipper, and people were having cracking along the trimming for the zipper, and it was just bad. So Louis Vuitton redid them and they made it exposed, and I believe they did it with all the other backpacks as well, the newer version where they exposed the zipper. So yeah, the zipper is so easy, so buttery smooth. It's so easy to get into. It has a little back pocket in the back. I don't know if you can see that. And this one was made in France, which I like because, yeah, I think I prefer made in France. But if I get another place like Spain or USA, I'm not gonna like freak out about it. But I do prefer my luxury items to be made in France. So my other pro was, I just told you that it fits so much. When I was in New York, I brought literally all my chargers, I brought my wallet, I put a water bottle in here. I just put so much, and it was just perfect. It wasn't heavy. These are the straps to the bag, and they are thin, so you would think like having all your stuff in here would weigh you down, but it doesn't, because there are so many ways you can wear this bag. If you guys want to see a video on like how many ways you can wear this bag, please let me know in the comments or give this video a thumbs up, because literally the ways you can wear this bag are endless. The straps are long, so it's easy to wear crossbody, backpack style, and if you want like a shorter backpack, it's easy to make the straps versatile for that if you want the backpack to lay shorter on your back, especially for me because I'm shorter. I'm 5'1", so having to be able to shorten the strap on this bag is so much easier to carry on my back than have it like dangle by like my butt area, and it was just like it moves and it's just weird feeling. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I like that option. I took a picture of the website, like just the details, the features of this bag, so I'm just gonna read them off to you. It is the monogram coated canvas, soft calfskin trim with foam backing. Yes, this foam backing is so good because it doesn't like dig into your back or anything. It's very comfortable on your back. Leather strap loop, which is this little bit right here. It is so cute because you can add like charms to this bag, and it's also cute if you want to like add like a little bandeau. So you could really accessorize this bag. It's so much fun. So yeah, the other thing is padded leather top handle. Yes, this handle is so comfortable as well. It's very padded and squishy, and yeah, I just love sometimes carrying it like this because it's so cute and effortless. So I like doing that. Like I said, it has 2 adjustable padded shoulder straps, which are these ones right here. They're the all black ones, and they have adjustments, like they have a lot of holes for you to adjust the straps, so that is a good thing. The interior of this bag is nylon, so it is very soft. Golden color metallic pieces, which are the zipper, the little zipper pull tabs right here, and the back where the loops are for the straps are the gold metallic coloring. There's an outside pocket, and as you guys can see, there's an outside pocket, which leads me to my con about this bag. That is the only con for this bag, is that this pocket is so hard to get into and out of, and you really can't fit much. I think I've put literally only my chapstick sometimes in here, but man, it was hard to get into and out of when I was doing so. But yeah, it's tiny, and at the time I had long nails, so it was even harder. But yeah, that is the only con for this bag. So to go into more little detail about this bag, it is all reverse monogram, the front and the back, except this little bit, which I really like because it makes the bag pop more. On the pocket of the bag, it has engraved Louis Vuitton Paris. I just like that little feature too. It just brings the bag together and it makes it look so much cuter. I really like the reverse monogram, and I hope I will get another piece on the reverse monogram. I just like it, and it's so unique that Louis Vuitton did this. I also wanted to mention that the padding goes from the back and all the way to the bottom. This bag has no feet. I'm glad it doesn't have any feet because, I don't know, I just feel like it wouldn't look right if it did have feet, because, you know, a normal backpack wouldn't have feet on the bottom of their bags. But I just love this bag so much. I've been using it all the time. Every time that I'm going somewhere for like a couple hours, I'll just stuff all my stuff in here, and it's just so easy to use. It will always be in my collection because it's such a classic piece. I mean, backpacks have always been around. So yeah, I just think it's a very timeless and classic piece that I always have in my collection. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Please go follow me on Instagram. I have been more active on my Instagram, and I like to connect with you more on Instagram, showing you like sneak peeks of what videos are coming up and ask you guys what kind of videos you want to see. I do a lot of polls there, do a lot of questions, and yeah, I just want to grow on Instagram as well on YouTube. Have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.